Good morning, respected principal, sir, vice principal, ma'am, teachers, coordinators, brothers, sisters, and my fellow friends. It's me, Dikshya Risal, from grade 6 to grade 2, presenting the major news today. Now let's take a look at the international news. National news. Highway 3 turns into a deadly path for travelers. Newport terror grabs Gulebi. Student unit push for mentor-only teacher recruitment. Now let's take a look at the international news. Nepal, China officially discussed trade and across-border issues. Ukraine claims to have hit Russia's oil factories and military airfields. India will continue to buy Russian oil and exports. Nepal's school football league started from August 2nd. England women to return home to heroes welcome after Euro Cup 2025 win. Nepal is to host South Asian qualifier for ITTF World Team Championship 2025. Now, moving on to the weather forecast for today. Today's expected climate is 26 degrees maximum and the minimum climate is 22 degrees Celsius. The Kathmandu Valley will continue to face hazy weather for some more days due to air pollution. At last, the call of the day. Believe in yourself and you will achieve great things. Thank you and have a wonderful day.